The extensive libraries available in the InstalSystem 5 package, with hundreds of products from various producers, allow you to apply products to meet any product requirements and your personal preferences. Catalogs with products are available in the General Data window. In addition to the producer's catalog, you can also find neutral catalogs created by our specialists. The availability of such catalogs gives you the opportunity to make calculations and design systems without focusing on any particular producer. Thanks to advanced filters of the program, you can significantly speed up the process of searching for the necessary group of products by selecting it from the offered list. You can also use the catalog browser to search for a particular producer, system, or particular product group. Another useful feature of the catalog library is the availability of graphic information about the producers of the product presented in the catalogs. You can also find the information about the types of items included in the catalog using the icons on the right side of each catalog.